Goal setting, your roadmap to success. Have you ever felt lost in the vast sea of life, unsure of where you're headed or what you truly want? You're not alone. Many of us struggle with direction and purpose. But what if I told you there's a powerful tool that can steer you towards your dreams and aspirations? Welcome to our channel. In the next few minutes, we'll explore why goal setting is crucial, its myriad benefits, and practical strategies to enhance your skills. So, let's dive in. Firstly, let's address the elephant in the room. Why does goal setting matter? Goal setting provides clarity and direction. It's like setting a destination on your GPS. Without it, you're wandering aimlessly. With clear goals, you have a roadmap to success. Let's break it down. Imagine you want to learn a new language. Instead of saying, "I want to learn Spanish," make it smart. I will enroll in a Spanish class, practice for 30 minutes every day, and aim to hold a conversation with a native speaker within 6 months. See the difference? It's all about clarity and intention. Take Sarah as an example. She dreamed of advancing her career, but felt stuck in her current role. By setting smart goals, like completing a certification program and networking with industry professionals, Sarah landed her dream job within a year. When you set goals, you give yourself a target to aim for, a North Star in a sea of uncertainty. But it's not just about reaching the destination, it's about the journey. Along the way, you'll encounter challenges and setbacks. But here's the beauty of goal setting. It teaches resilience, perseverance, and grit, the very qualities that separate the dreamers from the doers. But don't just take my word for it. So, what's stopping you from setting goals and chasing your dreams? Whether you want to climb the corporate ladder, run a marathon, or learn to play the guitar, the power is in your hands. Remember, it's not about the destination, it's about the journey. So, go ahead, set those goals, chase those dreams. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep doing, and keep setting goals that inspire you to be the best version of yourself. To know more about it, register for our workshop. Thanks for watching.